Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Good afternoon आप सभी को. And यहाँ पे आया हूँ मैं Calcutta and this is Fairfield by Marriott and मैं जा रहा हूँ अपनी रूम की तरफ. तो ये मेरा फर्स्ट एंट्री नहीं है, मैं ऑलरेडी चेक इन कर चुका हूँ. I'm just doing this to give you guys a room tour. So yeah, it was a standard room basically, and you will probably see it. It's okay. However, because it's Marriott, the rates are a little on the higher side. I think probably online it will cost you around something around 5 to 5.5. So this is the basic room. It has basic features like it has the cups, glasses, the water heater, a basic cupboard sort of a place where you can store your stuff. Uh, and then you have the washroom behind this mirror, and it's a small tiny little washroom, not big. No bathtubs like you have in UAE. In most of the properties you have bathtubs there. So this is the room. It's got a queen size bed, and it's comfortable mattress and everything. And this is the view of New Town. I used to stay here at some point of time, and all this area बिल्कुल खाली हुआ करता था, all empty. These things came up in the last 8 to 9 years, and this is the amazing swimming pool area of the property. And if you come, this is recorded in the evening time, and if you come here, you will see you have an amazing view of Calcutta from this place. It's I think it's on the second or third floor of the property, but yeah, it has a very nice view. And here you will see the Vertex Lounge bar as well. There. Like it's an open rooftop lounge bar, and also you have inside seating. I could not record the inside seating right now, so you will probably just see the outside, and it's amazing. It has very good lighting, and then there's music. People also do their parties, small get-togethers over here, and it's amazing. This is the lift lobby area. On the left, yeah, there are a couple of more halls where you could do small gatherings as well. हमारा दिन का afternoon lunch was in this area. So yeah, and then this is the next level. This has the restaurant where we come for breakfast, and on the right is the bar, and on the left is the banquet where we had a beautiful Arya's first birthday celebrations. And Arya, basically, she's the daughter of my cousin. So they just flew down from the States, and they were planning to celebrate his first rice eating ceremony that we have in Bengalis. So, but then due to COVID, a couple of plans had to be cancelled. This program was initially planned in December, Jan, I guess. And now it got postponed to March, Feb last, basically. And right now you will see this is the entry area. I don't know why I shot that guy a couple of times. Probably I'm but of videos that I took. There is one stunt that he showed, or magic he showed, which is for 5 minutes. It's amazing, guys. Let me know in comments if you want to see it, and I would love to post it here, and you guys can have a look. And where he ties his hands and then all of a sudden it gets free. It's great to watch when you see it. I don't know how much justice I did on the zooming part, but if you are interested, just comment and I will post it for you guys. And yeah, this is the banquet area. I think this can seat around 120 people easily. It's pretty good size. And finally, we have a dinner. I did not record anything for dinner, so and then I will be yeah, so that's my uncle there, and here I am leaving for Jamshedpur. So on our way to Howrah station, मैं मेरे cousins के साथ ही travel कर रहा था because they were also going to Jamshedpur. So my childhood and everything happens to be Jamshedpur. I did my schooling and everything from there. And sorry guys, I never could record a introductory video, but I just started on the go, and hopefully sometime I'm still learning a lot of things every day. Hopefully later on, once I get become more professional, I will probably record an official intro video for you guys. And here you go. This is the amazing Howrah Bridge, and you will probably see. I've recorded the full stretch, so you will see how the bridge hovers over your head, basically, and it feels great when you go past this area. And as you can see, there is a lot of traffic, lot of noise. I have put the actual volume down so that you guys don't get to hear it. But बहुत ज़्यादा शोर होती है यहाँ पे. Like there are buses, trucks, not trucks exactly, buses, commercial vehicles, lots of taxis and everything. Here you see on the left is the mighty Ganges, and I remember बचपन में हम लोग हावड़ा स्टेशन पहुंचने के बाद my cousins used to stay in Taleganj. हम लोग यहाँ से स्टीमर लेते थे. आई डोंट नो इफ स्टीमर्स आर स्टिल ऑपरेशनल. दो आज के दिन में लोगों के पास टाइम की बहुत कमी है, सो वी जस्ट ट्राई टू रश थ्रू एंड द easiest quickest solution. So here you see the beautiful Ganges. The bridge, the Vidyasagar Setu, is not visible because of the weather, and because of the weather I also, and that's Howrah station, the one in the red building. And uh, like because of the weather, another thing, I could not record anything in the railway station. I will probably do it when I'm going back. I will have to go via train. That's one sad part about Jamshedpur, that there is no direct flight landings there, so you either have to go via Calcutta or via Ranchi. So yeah, bye bye Calcutta. You guys were amazing as always. I'm a Bengali, but of course not from Kolkata. I'm from Jamshedpur. But yeah, it feels good to be in Calcutta. I've been visiting Calcutta since childhood because my cousins and everyone used to stay there. So yeah, that's the famous yellow taxis for one last time in Calcutta. So yeah, this looks great, and we are reaching the station. See you guys again in my next vlog, which will be from Jamshedpur. I hope you're liking my vlogs. Please like, share, comment, and share your feedback as well. I'm fairly new. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Bye.